Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to talk about actual sandblasting and what we can remove with sandblasting. So sandblasting, depending on the type of media you're using, from a glass bead to an aluminum oxide, you can pretty much remove any type of corrosion, rust, paint that you need as far as prepping your parts. Carbon buildup, grease, all of that can be removed with dry blast. It's just a matter of picking the right media to run with the product. If you're trying to remove powder coat, you're probably going to want to use a more aggressive, like aluminum oxide. It's more of an angular bead to actually help remove that. Now you can get too aggressive with dry blast and you can remove some of those signs of or marks of history that are on there, so you want to be careful not to do that. But as far as trying to remove paint or powder coat, dry blast is the perfect solution for that. It has much more power behind it, and it can actually chip away and remove the paint, the powder coat, or any type of coating that's on there. Adhesives, anything that you've got that you need to remove, it can be done with dry blasting. Questions or comments, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you have any questions, my direct line is 828-220-4983. Thanks for watching.